1, 2, 3, 4. I came here looking for something I just couldn't find anywhere else. I ain't trying to be nobody, just want a chance to be myself. Well, I spent 1,000 miles thumbing, I've worn blisters on my heels, trying to find me something better as I walk the streets of Bakersfield. Hey, you don't know me, but you don't like me. Say you're careless how I feel. How many of you sit and judge me? Ever walk the streets of Bakersfield? I spent some time in San Francisco. I spent the night there in Cannes. They threw a drunk man in my jail cell. I took $15 from that man. I left him my watch and my old house keys. Don't want folks thinking that I'd steal. I thanked the man as I was leaving, headed out for Bakersfield. Hey, you don't know me, but you don't like me. Say you're careless how I feel. How many of you sit and judge me? Ever walk the streets of Bakersfield?